All right, so I'm dead serious when I tell you this. If you want to make money online, you have to understand the 5 principles that I'm about to share with you in this video. Like, it is a must. You have to understand this stuff. Because contrary to what most online gurus will tell you, making money online isn't just some cakewalk where you can go work 30 minutes a day and make all this money. And I know that's probably not what you wanted to hear in this video, but there's a good chance that you're already starting to realize some of this stuff because you've probably tried a few business models before and you've bought in some courses before and you realize that it's just a little bit harder than people make it seem to be in regards to making money. But the important thing is that you're still here trying to figure it out. And that's awesome because in this video, in the next 10 minutes or so, this video could genuinely save you months of failure, months of trial and error, months of sleepless nights, and months of being stuck in what I like to call the beginner loop. And I'm serious when I tell you this. When I learned this stuff a few years ago, it genuinely transformed my life in the matter of a couple months. I was finally able to start making money online with a real legit business model. And then I was able to drop out of college. And then I was able to move out of my parents' house and finally start to live the life that I wanted for myself. And so if that sounds like something that you would like to do, then let's get straight into this video. Okay, principle number 1, get your notes out. Making money online is simple, but it is not easy. As a beginner, it is very easy to get caught up in all the BS and all the new fancy, flashy business models. Feels like there's a new business model that comes out every couple months that just dies off a couple months later. Here's the reality of the situation. Instead of getting caught up in all the new flashy stuff, new roadmaps, templates, all the shit that people try to sell you on, here's the reality of the situation. All you need to make 10 to 30K per month, yes, 30K per month, 10 to 30K per month is 1 to 2 high-level, in-depth skill sets, okay? These skill sets have to be stuff that is in demand, and I'll talk about examples in the second thing, so don't worry. These skills have to be in demand, easy to learn as a beginner, and they have to be skills that have a large learning curve where you can make money now, but you still have much more to learn so that you can get better. The problem with most people, though, is they see all this new flashy stuff about new different business models. Oh my God, I can make all this money here. And they end up trying all this different stuff. They try one thing for a couple months or weeks, and then they try the next thing, and they just bounce from business model to business model. And the worst part of all is that they reset their progress every single time because these different business models require different skill sets. So if you try to learn something and get started with something for maybe 1 or 2 months, and then you try the next thing, you've effectively reset your progress, and now you have to go through that another 1 to 2 months before you can make that new one work, right? And that leads into the second principle, which is the fact that every business model works, but none will work if you don't pick one. So I'm not going to be one of these dickheads that tries to say, I have the best business model and all the other ones out there are bad. Here's the reality of the situation. When you build your skill sets enough, you can make any business model work. Like for me, after building my agency to 50K per month and having in-depth skill sets, I can go make dropshipping work. I can make all these shitty business models actually work. The problem is, again, most people keep resetting their timeline and they never find success in any of them. And so you have to learn and build new skills. And if I had to recommend one way to do this, you should learn either the skill of marketing or the skill of sales. And the only 2 business models that correlate directly with learning those 2 skills, which is what you need, is copywriting and remote sales. Remote sales, building the skill of sales, copywriting, building the skill of marketing. These are the 2 business models that are best for a beginner because they focus on building these highly monetizable skill sets that I was referring to in the first part of this video. And when you do that long enough and you build the skill of marketing, you build the skill of sales, and you get good enough at it, you can go back later and go make dropshipping work. You can go start your own business or whatever you want to do in the future when you have the skills. And this is what most people totally neglect in their videos. Okay? And then step 3, or the third principle, is the fact that it's going to take longer than you think. Sorry to burst your bubble, but it's going to take you a little bit longer than you're expecting, and you don't know what you don't know. So if you actually allow yourself time to fail and figure things out, it'll be much better for you. And Albert Einstein made this quote, which I figured I'd share with you guys in this video. He said, "I didn't fail. I just successfully found out what didn't work." And so this is a principle that I live by. It's that you can never fail. You either win or you learn. And so expand your time horizon. Don't be like these dorks and these gurus, and it's not really even your fault, but they try to say, oh, you can make 10K per month in the next 60, 90 days. Expand your time horizon. Understand that it's going to take a little bit longer. Give yourself 6 months, give yourself 2 years, honestly, and stick to one thing. And if you can't make it work, fine, fair enough. You're not meant to make money online. But if you give yourself 2 years, I guarantee you'll make it work. And if you commit to something for that long and put in the maximum input every single day that you need to do, you will be successful and you will hit your goal. And it is inevitable. Okay? The fourth principle is that there are people out there trying to trick you or scam you. Now, here's the thing. I absolutely hate these dickheads out there as much as you guys do that say that you can make all this money in a short amount of time. It's disgusting. People tell you that you can do this all in 30 days. You can do this in 60 days. And they'll tell you that they have the answer to all their problems, probably because they're like good at copywriting or whatever. You just got to watch out for some of this crap, because most of the testimonials of people that like join these programs and supposedly go from 0 to 10K in like 30 or 60 days, what they don't tell you is the other 3 business models that they failed with prior and the 2 years of failure and experience that they built before they made this work. And so you have to be very, very, very careful listening to somebody who's going to tell you that you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time. Generally, if something is too good to be true, it usually is. And so the fourth principle here is make sure you do your research before you buy courses and coaching programs. Because courses and coaching programs, and I'll allude to this later, they genuinely are one of the best things that you can do, but it has to be the right one. And so you have to really look at their testimonials. Have they actually helped people who are exactly where you were? And you have to really look at the fact, like, did they try a bunch of stuff before and build all this experience that they don't tell you? How many people are in their coaching group? Because if they have a massive coaching group of people, and if they have a school community of thousands of people, you probably don't want to learn from them, because you're not going to learn from the main leader of the group if he has 1,000 other people inside of the program. That's the nature of working with people. If you have 20 clients, you can help them all one-on-one. If you have 1,000, you can't help them all one-on-one. That is not possible. So look at how many people are in their coaching program. And then on top of that as well, is the guru like posting on social media, marketing their, like showing off their watch and their Lambo and all this BS? Or are they genuinely putting time and effort instead into helping their students and building an exceptional product? Look at the person's values. What is important to them in life? Why did they start the business? Was it to make money, or did they have an actual purpose behind why they built the business? These are all important things that you must look into before deciding you want to work with somebody, because if you screw this up, you're not only going to waste money, but you're also going to learn material that might actually be a negative for you. And you might have actually been better off just like learning and failing on your own. That's the Hearth Truth. So the fourth thing is you should buy courses and coaching programs, but you have to be very careful about picking the right ones, because there are some shitty ones out there. And the fifth and final principle is the hardest part of your entire journey is in the beginning, which is why I would advise you to get a mentor. I don't think you should buy a single course out there. I think what you should do, though, is you should work with a coach, work with a mentor, and work with them one-on-one. And this is the Hearth Truth. If you're a beginner right now watching this video, you might like kind of know what you're doing, but you really have no idea. And that is the cold, hard truth of the reality. You need somebody to tell you and to go in and tell you what you're doing wrong and help you correct it. Because the reality is YouTube videos can only get you so far. YouTube videos do not answer specific questions based on specific scenarios, whereas a coach can. Like, if you were wanting to get help with your cold outreach for how you can better land a client, a YouTube video is not going to generally give you the answer. Like, you can find it out there and it might take a ton of time, but how do you know the YouTube video is going to even be right in the first place? And so when you work with a coach, a good coach, I should preface, not these shitty programs out there in these shitty school communities. If you work with somebody that actually knows what they're doing, they'll be able to go in and analyze your situation and give you specific advice based on the experience that they have. And so you should also work with somebody that has done exactly what you're looking to accomplish. But anyways, if you stuck all the way around to the end, I applaud you, and I really hope this video helped you out and gave you some clarity around what you need to do to get moving forward in the right direction. And everyone's next steps might look a little bit different based on where they're at, but these are the sort of things that you need to keep in your mind, and you need to understand these principles to actually make money online. So again, I hope this helped. And quick plug, if you're looking to get started in remote sales and you want to work with a mentor, you want to work with a coach because you understand the value behind having somebody go in and analyze what you're doing wrong and help you out specifically, or you just want to work with somebody to increase the chance that you can actually make this work. I've been doing this now for almost 4 years, and I've helped hundreds of students, and I pretty much know everything around the sun to at least get started in making money online and to get to 3 to 10K per month guaranteed. I don't know if I can get you to millions yet, maybe one day, but I know I can get you to 3 to 10K per month. So if you want to do that, and if you want my help, you can book a call using the link below. You and I can jump on a quick conversation to see for sure if we would even be a good fit together to work first, and then we can go from there. But yeah, hope this video helped. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.